What's up guys, you're Slaughter from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to protect your computer when you are away. So how to automatically block your Windows computer when you are away. This is a very simple and effective. Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Windows desktop, review the corner right side and click into this Wi-Fi icon. Okay, this is gonna open the connection tabs. Make sure that you are with your phone next to your computer and hit the on Bluetooth and click into this little arrow. Connect your phone with your Bluetooth. It's almost like connecting your phone with your car, so it's a very simple. Just you have to do is find your phone right here, connect, click on your phone and connect as well. Make sure the numbers hit. Okay, after, go to the Windows icon, into this initializing panel. Into the search, you're gonna type dynamic lock, just like this, with the key icon. Click on it. Once right here, all you have to do is mark this option right here, allow Windows to automatically lock device when you are away. And what they gonna do this? They gonna use the mobile connection. Simple, right? All you have to do is mark this option. Now if I stay away from my computer with my phone in my package, for example, the Windows gonna be automatically locked out. Simple, easy and very effective for security. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.